Windows play a major role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. Over time, even high-quality windows begin to lose their effectiveness. For homeowners in Eagle, recognizing the signs that it's time for an energy-efficient window replacement can help you avoid rising energy costs and maintain a comfortable living environment. One of the most common signs is noticeable drafts. If you feel cold air coming in during the winter or warm air entering during the summer, your windows may no longer be sealing properly. In Eagle, where seasonal temperature changes can impact indoor comfort, these drafts can make certain rooms feel uncomfortable and uneven. Energy-efficient replacement windows are designed with tighter seals that help eliminate these issues. Another clear indicator is rising energy bills. If your heating and cooling costs have increased without a major change in usage, your windows could be a contributing factor. Older windows often lack proper insulation, allowing air to escape and forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can help stabilize indoor temperatures and reduce monthly energy expenses. Difficulty opening or closing your windows is another sign it may be time for a replacement. Windows that stick, jam, or won't stay open can be more than just inconvenient. They may indicate warping, frame damage, or worn-out components. Properly functioning windows are essential not only for comfort but also for ventilation and safety. Condensation between glass panes is another red flag. Modern windows are typically designed with multiple panes of glass and insulating gas between them. If you notice fogging or moisture trapped inside, it usually means the seal has failed. This reduces the window's insulating ability and can lead to decreased energy efficiency. Outside noise becoming more noticeable is another sign your windows may not be performing as they should. If you're hearing more traffic, neighborhood activity, or outdoor sounds than before, your windows may not be providing adequate insulation. Energy-efficient windows with improved sealing and multi-pane glass can help reduce noise and create a quieter indoor environment. Visible damage is also an important factor to consider. Cracks in the glass, rotting frames, or peeling finishes can all affect performance. In Eagle, exposure to varying weather conditions can accelerate wear and tear. Replacing damaged windows not only improves efficiency but also enhances the overall look of your home. Uneven indoor temperatures are another clue. If certain rooms are consistently hotter or colder than others, your windows may be allowing air to escape or enter unevenly. Energy-efficient windows help create a more balanced indoor climate, making your entire home feel more comfortable. You may also notice fading furniture, flooring, or curtains. This can be caused by excessive UV rays entering through outdated windows. Modern energy-efficient windows often include coatings that reduce UV exposure while still allowing natural light in. This helps protect your interior while maintaining a bright, inviting space. Another sign is excessive maintenance. If you find yourself frequently repairing or repainting window frames, it may be time to consider an upgrade. Newer window materials are designed to be more durable and require less upkeep, saving you time and effort in the long run. Finally, if your windows are simply outdated, replacing them can provide immediate benefits. Older designs often lack the advanced features found in today's energy-efficient options. Upgrading not only improves performance but also enhances your home's curb appeal and value. For homeowners in Eagle, paying attention to these signs can help you make a timely decision about window replacement. Energy-efficient windows offer improved comfort, lower energy costs, and better overall performance. If you've noticed any of these issues in your home, it may be the right time to consider an upgrade. With modern designs and professional installation, new windows can transform your living space into a more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable environment for years to come.